Hello, today we're going to be looking at how to register a patient for online services. This will cover the initial registration process and amending online access for a patient who is already registered. To register a patient for online services, navigate to the Online Services node on the patient record tree. On the right-hand side, we will see the main view for the patient's online access. To register them for access to online services, either right-click over the Online Services node from the tree and then select Register for Online Services, or click on the Register for Online Services link in the main view. This will display a dialog where we can now configure the patient's access. First, record the identity verification. The Document Provided checkbox will allow us to select what documents have been provided to confirm the patient's identity, along with any supporting comments and the option to attach images if required. If there are attachments already on the patient's record that can be used, these can be selected with the Use Existing Proof option. The Vouched For checkbox will allow us to record that a specific staff member is vouching for the patient's identity. Select the staff member, then select either personal or information confirmation as required. And again, any supporting comments can be added in the box on the right. The Contact Details section allows us to check and amend the patient's telephone numbers and email address. Because online credentials and other messages can be sent to the patient via email or SMS, it is useful to have the email address and mobile number recorded. And email addresses are mandatory if the patient is going to be using the AirMid application. The Online Credentials section will provide the username and password for online access, as well as an account ID and passphrase to allow the patient to link their online account to other third-party applications. These credentials can be provided by printout, SMS, email, or verbally by selecting the corresponding radio buttons. The Services section will allow us to define what services the patient will have access to online. The options for appointment booking, medication requesting, questionnaires, and the summary record will all be selected by default, providing they have been enabled by the organisation. These can be unchecked as required. The option for coded or full record will not be selected by default, so must be manually selected if they're required. Any services that are not enabled at the organisation will display an asterisk. They can still be selected, but the patient will not be able to use them until they have been enabled by a system administrator. This can be useful, however, if we want to start registering patients for a service prior to it being enabled. If either the coded or full record has been selected, we can also specify a date, which will ensure that only content from that date onwards is visible online. Finally, if this patient is going to have access to another patient's account, this can be added under the Proxy Access section. Once the registration has been completed, click OK. If we have chosen to print any of the online credentials, they will be printed at this point. We are now back in the main patient's record and we can see the patient's online access in the main view. To finish the process, we must save the patient's record as access will not be available until this is done. So amending online access for a patient is also done from the Online Services node. In the main view, we are able to see what services the patient currently has access to. And from here, we can reset the patient's password or change their username. As before, this allows us to print the details, send them via SMS or email, or inform the patient verbally. We can add or remove any required services, as well as changing the coded and full record start dates. We can also set up proxy access, close the account, and manage the patient's third-party linked applications. Once any required changes have been made, remember to save the patient's record. Thank you for watching, and please have a look at some of the other online services videos.